This is Miss Carter, and today we're going to talk about graphing quadratics. Quadratic functions are unique because they have two types. Remember, you have max and min, or concave up or down. And so today we're going to start with making sure that we label a, b, and c. And remember, that comes from ax squared plus bx plus c. So we look at our quadratic. Remember, the number in front of a variable is always 1, so a equals 1. B equals -4, and C equals -5. Okay? So then from there, I want to find my AOS, my axis of symmetry. And remember, our axis of symmetry is opposite B over 2A. So now I'm going to use that formula to write our function. So I look here, opposite of -4 over 2 times 1. Okay, so negative and negative, or the opposite of -4, is a positive. So we get 4 over 2, and 4 over 2 is 1, and x equals 2. So then from there, we're going to draw our dashed line, because remember, that signifies the symmetry of my quadratic function. Alright, so we have x equals 2. So then from there, I want to find my other point, which is my vertex. So I'm going to take 2 and plug it back into our function. So we have y equals, parentheses 2 squared, minus 4, parentheses 2, minus 5. And remember, we have to follow the order of operations, because this is calculator inactive on our EOC. So we start with our squared. So 2 squared is 4. -4 times 2 is -8, minus 5, right? And so we have 4 minus 8, which is -4, minus 5, which is -9. Okay? So we're just going to extend our graph down. I keep going on. So we have -6, -8, and -9. And we plot our point, which is 2, -9. So from here, remember, we're going to draw our x and y table. And we're going to use our point of 2, -9 as our middle. And I'm going to go 2 terms above and 2 terms below. And now I'm going to substitute. So I have y equals 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 5. Zeros cancel out, and we get -5. So we have 0, -5. So 0, remember, means that is on the y-axis. So we have 0, -5. Then I'm going to do my next point, which is 1. So y equals 1 squared minus 4 times 1 minus 5. And 1 squared is 1. 4 times 1 is -4 minus 5. So 1 minus 4, -3, minus 5, -8. So we have -8. So we have 1, -8. So 1, -8 would be right here. Okay. And then from there, remember, this is a reflection. So that means that 3, -8 will be right here. And 4, -5 will be right here. Okay. And so then we connect our 5 points. And we can tell that this is a minimum point. And with that minimum point of our vertex, this is concave